Won't stay long, won't stay long, baby. Don't stay.
Hi guys, so we're gonna start with this eye look. I'm gonna start with this dark purple shade, just placing it on my lid, not really worrying about blending at this point. Just kind of like putting it a little bit above my crease. And then with the smaller brush, I'm gonna apply this hot pink shade just to help with the blending also. So this is gonna make it easier for me to kind of like create that grading effect. Again, I'm just gonna go back and forth with those colors that I've been using, just kind of like placing, blending, placing all over again. And then I'm gonna use this orange shade, which is kind of like gonna help me blend a little towards my brow. At this point, I'd added the black shadow to my crease just to intensify it and help me when placing the halo cut crease. Again, I'm using several shades just to create a perfect blend. Now I'm going to go in with the P. Louise base and kind of do the cut crease halo effect. So after I'm done with that, placing that base on my eye, I'm gonna take that purple shade and kind of like blend out the edges of that base. So I'm just there placing that color and just kind of wiggle it in. After that, I'm gonna use that purpley shimmer shade with my finger and just tap it where I place that shadow base. That's where the glitter is gonna go. So I'm gonna use my House of Lashes glue, and that's how I'm gonna put the glitter from this Mexican brand, which is called Bisou. So I'm just gonna tap the glitter in place, and then I'm also gonna use a chunkier glitter to kind of make everything look even better. And this is J. LaRue chunky glitter called Carnival. So I have like purples and pinks. So for lashes, I'm gonna be using these from Love Lux Cosmetics, and then I'm just gonna finish the rest of my eye. Just like I said, underneath, I'm gonna be using the same colors I used on the top. And then this eyeliner on my waterline from LA Girl. A little bit of highlight from Anastasia Moonchild palette. Just to set everything in place with the Morphe setting spray. And then I'm going to go in with my lips. Hope you guys enjoy this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also leave any requests you may have down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.